Come all who love the Lord above, lift up your hearts as one, with joyful songs and thankful praise, draw near the holy throne. We're marching to Zion, beautiful, beautiful Zion. We're marching upward to Zion, the beautiful city of God. Let every sorrow leave the soul, let fear and doubt depart. True faith was never meant to steal the gladness of a heart. We're marching to Zion, beautiful, beautiful Zion. We're marching upward to Zion, the beautiful city of God. Let those remain in silence still, who never known His grace, but heirs of heaven's glorious King, proclaim His joy and praise. We're marching to Zion, beautiful, beautiful Zion. We're marching upward to Zion, the beautiful city of God. The thankful ones have tasted here a glimpse of glory bright. From hope and faith rich blessings grow, and earthly fields of light. We're marching to Zion, beautiful, beautiful Zion. We're marching upward to Zion, the beautiful city of God. Songs rise full and strong, let every tear be dry. We march through Emmanuel's land to worlds of joy on high.